I finally finished my saddlebag. Had to do it in my kitchen because it was a little bit too hot outside this week. Let's see. Ran the wires, 4 wires for the custom dynamics, sequential, turn signal, tail light, running lights. Plus I got a speaker wire going for the woofer, of course. Had an accident, as you can see. I did not damage the woofer though. I'm running the light through that little hole. I will put some RTV in there to seal that up later. I have to RTV this old hole. This is the original hole for the saddlebag locks. The saddlebag lock cable that goes through the saddlebag right there. So what I did is I ran 8 wires to this connector right here. I will put some RTV on that, on the inside, to seal that up also. Let you take a look at the inside. There's the woofer. And Tessa tape the wires. And I have the CVO saddlebag liner that I'll be putting back in here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna arrange these wires, but I'll lay them down, probably Tessa tape them to the floor, then put the saddlebag liner back in there. This is the Kicker Comp RT 8-inch subwoofer. I'll let you guys listen to everything once I get it put on the bike. I have a ring installed here on the woofer. I put RTV in it to seal it, and I wrapped it in Tessa tape before it dried just to get it to lay flat. Hopefully I get everything sealed up. I'll find out tomorrow morning. So if you got any questions, feel free to hit me up.